Take a ride in the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, ventilated front seats, roof rack, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.